All right, so if you're watching this video, you have selected the launcher game. So I'm going to tell you right now that when you're done watching this video, you want to click this link and then follow these steps. So that's what I'm going to show you with this video. So you want to click here, and this is going to take us to a CS First website with Google. We do not sign in. This is not a website we've signed in before. This is to give us directions for the launcher games. So I'm just going to play about a minute or so of this video. So let's watch.
Hey, and welcome to Scratch Games Day 6. In today's club session, you'll make a launching game. While creating this game, you'll learn about an important computer science concept, variables, as well as a game creation concept, increasing difficulty. In the game you'll make today, the player must launch and navigate a sprite across a screen of bouncing enemies. If the player reaches the finish line, a point is added to their score and a new enemy is added to the game. This game uses variables to make it more difficult. You may have encountered variables in math class, like the x or y you saw for in algebra equations. Variables in computer science are very similar. A variable is a storage location for data. When the code runs, it tells the computer to replace the variable with data from that storage location. In many sports video games, you can easily see the values of some variables. In a football game, each football player might have many different attributes, all of which are stored in variables. In the game, the variable will hold the player's score. As the player's score gets higher, the game will get more difficult. To get started, open the starter project link on this page. Then, add a sprite that the player can control. This example project will use a fish, but you can use any sprite you'd like for yours. You'll probably want to shrink the sprite to make it better size for this game. Once you've done that, move on to the next screencast.
Okay, so you don't have to do everything that she just said. So right now what you want to do, we are going to follow these instructions. So we're going to open the starter project, we're going to remix it, sign in. We're also going to share it right now. We are not going to select a player sprite unless you want to. So you would want to click on this link. This gives us the starter project. And like I said, once it comes up, you'll be able to see it, but you won't be logged into it yet. You will need to sign in. So right here, I'm going to click on sign in. Then you put in your username, your password, click sign in. And we're not done yet. We have to click the remix button. When we do that, it puts the project in your folder. But more importantly, right now, we have to click share. When you click share, now I can see your progress. And so if you've clicked share, I'll be able to see this. I know it looks very empty. You will add things to it in week 7. If you want, you can go ahead and work on it this week, but you do not have to. It does give you this red line at the end here. I believe you can change the color if you want. But yeah, that's all you would have to do. So if you're done at this point, you would go back to this document here and click the turn in button. So again, you'll watch this video of me talking right now. Then you will come down to step 4, click here for the launcher game. That's going to take you to that CS First website. You create the starter project, you sign in, click the green remix button, and then click the orange share button. And after that, you are done. You'll see a turn in button up here you can click. All right, if you have any questions about this, just send me an email, and have a great week, everybody.